going to learn about rhythm. If you listen carefully to the world around you, you will hear rhythm in everything. From footsteps walking down a street, to a clock ticking on the wall, or the sound of a train going over the tracks. They all have rhythm. But did you know that there's even rhythm happening in our own bodies? Have you ever listened to your own heartbeat? Your heartbeat has a steady rhythm that keeps going, just like the beat in music. Let's beat on our chest where we can feel our heartbeat. I'll go first, then you go. Your turn. Well done! To win the star, for this class we need to complete all 3 activity times. Each time we finish one, we will fill the star with gold. It's activity time! First, we want to feel the pulse. We can create a pulse by walking side to side like this. See if you can walk at the same time as me. Here we go. Now, let's see if we can count while we do it. I'll go first, then you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. Well done. Now let's see if you can copy the rhythms I make while we walk side to side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. Well done. Now on your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. Well done. Now on your head. 2, 3, and 4. Your turn. Well done. Keep counting. Now on our legs. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. And back to your heart. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. Well done. We've just finished the first activity time. Today we're going to learn how to read rhythm, just like how we read books. Here are some notes below. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to spot the odd one out. Here we go! That's right, these notes are the odd ones out. In these boxes, we can see one note. These notes have just one sound. Let's try clapping along with them and using a word that has one sound, like cat. Ready? I'll go first, then you try. Cat, 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 cat. Your turn. Well done. Cat, 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 cat. Your turn. And last time. Cat, 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 cat. Your turn. Well done. In this box, we can see there are 2 notes together. That means they have 2 sounds. Let's use a word with 2 sounds to help us clap along, like kitten. Kitten has 2 sounds, so we clap with each sound. Kitten. Let's try that while reading these notes. I'll go first, then you try. Kitten, 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 kitten. Your turn. Well done, and again. Kitten, 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 kitten. Well done. Kitten, 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 kitten. Wow, fantastic. Now let's mix up the notes to see what we get. Can you spot which notes have one sound, like cat? Or which notes have 2 sounds, like kitten? Great. I'll go first, then you repeat after me. Cat, kitten, cat, kitten, your turn. Well done, and again, cat, kitten, cat, kitten. And again, well done, cat, kitten, cat, kitten. Well done. Now let's mix it up again. Can you spot which notes have one sound like cat and which notes have two sounds like kitten? Great. I'll go first, then you try. Kitten, cat, kitten, cat. Your turn. And again. Kitten, cat, kitten, cat. Well done. Kitten, cat, kitten, cat. Wow. Guess what? I think you're ready for another activity time! For this activity, we have to clap the rhythm in the boxes. But watch out, it's going to change every time. Are you ready? I'll go first, then you try. Remember to clap 2 times on kitten. Here we go. Cat, cat, kitten, cat, your turn. Well done. What's gonna come next? Here we go, you ready? Here we go. Kitten, kitten, cat, cat, your turn. Well done. New one. Here we go. Are you ready? I'll go first. Cat, kitten, cat, kitten. Well done. One more. Oh, let's try it again. Kitten, cat, kitten, kitten. Your turn. Well done. Wow, you've just completed the second activity time. Look, the star is filling up with gold. Well done. So far, we have used cat and kitten to help us with the notes. But I wonder if you can think of any other animals that we could use for these notes. Remember, they only have one sound. Feel free to pause the video and share your ideas with your teacher. Great! Here are some ideas I came up with. Repeat them after me. You ready? Here we go. Dog, 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 dog. Your turn. Well done. Ape, 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 ape. Your turn. Well done. Shark, 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 shark. Well done. And now bird, 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 bird. Your turn. Great. Now let's think of words with 2 sounds that we can use with these notes. Feel free to pause the video and share your ideas with your teacher. Great! Here are some ideas I came up with. Repeat them after me. Here we go. Puppy, 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 puppy. Your turn. Well done. Monkey, 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 monkey. Well done. Dolphin, 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 dolphin. Well done. Chicken, 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 chicken. Fantastic. Here's a new rhythm. Let's try using our animal names to help us clap along. First, let's use dog and puppy. Dog, dog, puppy, puppy. Well done. Now let's go to the jungle with ape and monkey. Ape, ape, monkey, monkey. Well done. Now let's go to the sea with shark and dolphin. Shark, shark, dolphin, dolphin. Your turn. Well done. Now to the sky with bird and chicken. Bird, bird, chicken, chicken. Well done. Let's go to the farm with horse and donkey. Here we go. Horse, horse, donkey, donkey. Wow, I think you're ready for the final activity time of today. Let's do it. For this activity time, let's use dog and puppy and put the words to the notes. I'll go first, then you copy me. Here we go. Dog, dog, puppy, puppy. Well done. New one. Are you ready? Here we go. Puppy, puppy, dog, dog. Well done. And a new one. You ready? Here we go. Dog, puppy, puppy, dog. Your turn. Well done. And again, you ready for this one? Here we go. Puppy, dog, your turn. Well done. Let's change the word to ape and monkey and beat on our chests. Ape, ape, monkey, monkey. Well done. New rhythm. You ready? Here we go. Monkey, monkey, ape, ape. Well done. And a new rhythm. Here we go. Ape, monkey, monkey, ape. Your turn. Well done. Well done. Last one. Here we go. Monkey, ape, monkey, ape. And finally, let's use shark and dolphin and snap like a shark's mouth. Shark, shark, dolphin, dolphin. Well done. And a new rhythm. You ready? Here we go. Dolphin, dolphin, shark, shark. Well done. And a new rhythm. You ready? Here we go. Shark, dolphin, dolphin, shark. Your turn. Well done. And one more. Are you ready? Here we go. Dolphin, shark, dolphin, shark. Your turn. Wow, you have just completed all the activity times for this class and won a gold star. Well done, everyone. Today, we learned that rhythm is all around us. Throughout your day, I want you to listen out for any rhythms in your classroom or home. Don't forget to fill out our special worksheet so we can move on to the next video. See you next time. Bye. We're here at the Irish Institute of Music and Song campus in Balbriggan, County Dublin. Groups visit us from all over Ireland and the world to take part in our music programs. If you like what we do, you can find out more information at our website down below.